Okay, so we're taking the fridge out because there's no room in the bathroom. Not this easy. He's been in here for a minute trying to get this stuff out. Also, it's not original. I have to move the light. So, take the fridge out, and then the bathroom has more room. And we're going to take the oven out so we can put the new fridge there. And make a little spice rack where the fridge is. And then I've been painting more coats on the red. And then this is the next thing. I'm going to wire brush all this out and then paint that probably flat black. There's my hero. Thank you, sweetie. That's gonna be so nice.